The glute bridge with knee dive intensely tense your glutes, hamstring, and core, improving hip pelvic stability, posture, and balance, which reduce lower back pain and enhance athletic power for activities like running, lifting, and jumping. It counteracts sitting's effect by activating dormant glutes, leading to better movement patterns, preventing injuries, and making everyday tasks easier. Flutter kicks build core strength, tone abs, and sculpt legs by engaging lower abs, hips, flexor, and quads, while improving balance, posture, and endurance, making them a versatile, equipment free exercise that boosts cardio and stability. Straight arm crunches effectively build a stronger, more defined core by increasing leverage, improve overall stability and posture by engaging shoulder back stabilizers and enhance muscular endurance, making workouts more efficient by working the core, shoulders and arms simultaneously, especially with added weight. Reverse knee tucks tense deep core muscles, especially lower abs, improve spinal pelvic stability, and reduce neck back strain by keeping the head down, making them great for posture and general core power. Often done on a mat, reformer, or TRX, they build functional strength, enhance body awareness, and can improve athletic performance by stabilizing the entire midsection. Exercising the hip dips area tense your lower body, improve stability for daily movement and pose, relieves back knee pain, enhances posture and tones your midsection, leading to better body function, confidence and injury prevention. Even if they don't change bone structure, key benefits include stronger glutes for power, defined obliques for a tighter waist, better balance, and improved overall hip health. Oblique rotation trains your side core muscle, offering benefits like improved core stability, better balance, enhanced functional movement, reduce risk of lower back pain, and increase rotational power for pores, all while contributing to a more defined waistline by building lean muscle, not just burning fat. They support the spine and add in everyday activities like lifting and twisting, making you more resilient.